Today we will discuss about DML triggers in one function. That means in previous session, we have discussed about uh, different types of triggers like before insert, before after insert, before update, after update, before delete, after delete. Okay, so we have written different functions and different triggers for those events. Okay, so now we will write all DML types of triggers in one function. Okay, now before that uh, we have created the triggers on tremp. Okay, and see, all triggers are disabled. Okay, why? Because we are writing new triggers so that some conflict will be there. So while executing that triggers and checking the data, some confusion will be there. So to avoid that confusion, better to disable the existing triggers so that we can have a clarity. So create or replace function before tr underscore all DML. Returns trigger language pgSQL as and begin and here create or replace trigger tr underscore DML before insert or update or delete on tr underscore emp. So uh, we have taken some tables for example. So tremp table that is used to display the employee details and the department. So this is master data. So only 3 records are available. So emp audit. So whenever any kind of trigger occurs, so that whole data will be stored in audit table. Okay, so many data are there, so better to truncate it. Truncate table for each row. Execute function. That function name is this one. Okay. Now, so this trigger here in this function, we can write logic for before insert, before update, before delete. Okay, at a time we can write it. After that, I can call that tr all underscore DML function in this trigger. Okay, so now I will write the logic for before insert, update, delete. If tz trigger when equal to before, then and if now if tz underscore operator, so here insert, then so begin and so here I can have different operations like that. So update, delete. So before going to insert, I want to raise the exception. If old dot salary not old, for insert, new table will be there. So if new dot salary less than 1000, then raise the exception salary is less than 1000 and salary equal to so here percentage, so I can display that salary. And if okay, so while inserting I have mentioned this condition. While updating, if same if new salary is less than old salary, then I can display this message. So if new salary, not new salary, here old salary is greater than 3000. That means whatever the record we are going to delete it, that salary is greater than 3000, then I don't want to delete that record. Salary is more and cannot delete. So we will check these conditions. Okay, so here I have used 3 if blocks. So and if and if line number 29. Okay. If and if line number 29. One more and if. Okay, function has created. Now I call that function in trigger. Now we will check whether this logic will work or not. First of all, I am trying to insert one record. Then if that salary is less than 1,000, then it should not be inserted. So is there any old record? Yeah, I'm going to insert this one. Before that, check these existing records. So here G, I'm giving H here. For H employee, I'm taking salary of 900. C, salary is less than 1,000. So it will raise the error. So you can check H is not available. Okay, it is not inserted. Now, coming to the update, salary is less than old salary. If you are trying to update employee number, I'm going to take this employee name G. So employee number equal to 24 and salary is I'm taking 2,000. I'm doing update. So salary is less than old salary. So it should not be updated. See, salary is less than old salary. So it will raise the exception. So you can check for G employee name, it is salary is 3,000 only. Okay. Now delete. So if any salary is greater than 3,000, that record should not be deleted. So go to this. I'm editing this one 4,000. Okay. I will update with 4,000. Control reach end of trigger procedure without return. Okay, here I didn't write return. So return new. So if I execute it, see 4,000. Okay, and now I'm trying to delete that record employee number 24. So it says salary is more and cannot delete. Okay. So here for delete, I have mentioned here word new. So that's why the salary is not displayed. So if I execute here again, see, so we cannot delete because salary is 4,000. Salary is more. Okay. and this is before insert. Okay, and again you can write it after insert logic also by using this here. So else if when tg underscore when equal to after, then begin end if. Okay, so same type of logic I can copy and paste it and edit it. Okay, so this is after and hmm, see make the comment. So here I'm going to create one more trigger after. Okay, and call the same function and here write after. Put this trigger in disable mode, trdml. I'm trying to insert. See, salary is less than 1,000. So if you want, you can check. See that record, I employee name, it is not inserted. And I'm trying to update. Suppose if I give employee number 24, for employee number 24, if I give 2,000, see salary is less than old salary. So I'm trying to delete employee number 24. See, salary is more, cannot delete it. So that's why, that means see this. So control goes to this block now. Okay. So if I remove the comment, okay, and make this trigger is enabled, Okay, and execute it. And trying to insert again employee number I, employee name I, salary is less than 1000. So here after keyword is not available. Okay, so that means control goes to this before only. Whenever control comes to here, so this statement is executed means control is out of the if block. Raise exception means it will return. Okay, so that's why this after control does not go to the after block. Okay, so if you use table kind of thing, then you can have multiple records. MTR. Okay, sorry. Here what happened is, so same thing in after also. In before, in after block also I have mentioned before only. So better to truncate. See, I have written insert query in the place of raise exception statement. Okay, see what will happen. So I'm executing entire code and trying to insert one record like I is there. So J, this is 1000. Okay, so observe this. I didn't mention any conditions. Salary is less than 1000 like that. I didn't mention any condition. So I'm trying to insert it. See this. See, before insert, after insert, two records will be inserted into audit table. Okay, so you can have that J. J is 100. So earlier we have inserted that 900. Okay, you can have K, and this one is 2000. Observe this. K is inserted for one time in TREMP, and in audit table K is inserted for twice. Okay, so before insert, after insert. Okay, so like that you can write your own conditions and that will be executed according to your code. Okay.